How to brew a dark rock small batch extract beer kit. To make this kit, you will need a demijohn, sanitizer, hydrometer, airlock, siphon kit, and bottles or a keg to store your beer in later on. These are all available in our small batch beer making starter kit. To get started, thoroughly clean and sanitize all equipment with Harris Sturacid before use. We have chosen to brew our small batch British Golden Ale. Inside the recipe kit, there is beer finings for clearing, hop oil for bitterness, hop pellets for flavour and aroma, premium beer yeast, a hop tea bag, and a bag of spray malt extract. Firstly, add 1 litre of hot water to a jug. Then slowly pour in the bag of spray malt while stirring. Pour the contents into your sanitised demijohn and then top up with cold water to 1 gallon. Make sure you then give it a really good stir. Once the temperature is between 18 to 23 degrees Celsius, add the beer yeast and hop oil and thoroughly stir to oxygenate the brew. Take a hydrometer reading before and after the fermentation to calculate the ABV. Secure the lid and an airlock half filled with water. You may prefer to attach a siphon tube with one end going into a jug with water to avoid mess from an active fermentation. Bubbles will appear when the fermentation starts. This should be complete within 7 to 10 days. Use your hydrometer to check the gravity once it stops bubbling. Fermentation is complete when the gravity reading stabilises around 1010. Once it's complete, add the hop pellets and beer finings. Hop pellets can be added inside the supply tea bag if preferred. Store the brew in a fridge or a cool place for a further 3 days. We're transferring the beer into one of our 5 litre party kegs. To use this, remove the plastic bung and add 15 grams of sugar or 8 brew fizz carbonation drops. Siphon the beer from your demijohn into the party keg. We are using the tea bag to stop hop debris from transferring into the keg. Make sure the keg is sitting lower than the demijohn. Suck on the one end to start and use the tap or clip to control the flow. Attach the supplied red and black bung and leave the keg in a warm place for 7 days to allow a secondary fermentation to take place. This will carbonate your beer. Move the keg to somewhere cool to condition and clear, ideally for at least 2 weeks before drinking. To pour your beer, twist the red valve on the bung, pull out the tap and twist to dispense. Enjoy your delicious homemade beer.